Good day, folks. This is another installation how-to video in my little bitty series of installation how-to videos. This is my RDS 33-gallon auxiliary fuel tank set up as a gravity feed, installed in my 2017 Ram 3500 dually. As you can see, the tank fits underneath my toolbox. It's mounted in 3 places, one in the front, one on this side, and one over here on this side. Also in the back, you'll see the shutoff valve and the fuel line where it goes through the bed of the truck. Next, we'll go down underneath and I'll show you how that's installed down there. Okay, here we are down underneath the truck. What you see is the T adapter that splices into the fuel filler neck. It's 2 little rubber boots, an aluminum T, and up here on top is where the fuel line from above connects to a ball valve to control fuel coming from the auxiliary tank going into the main fuel tank. This, of course, is the fuel line. You can see it going up here into the bed of the truck. Also, this is the bolt from underneath. You'll notice that there's a washer and a spring, that's so that these bolts are not tightened snug against the bed of the pickup. This stops the flexing of the bed from breaking the welds on the fuel tank. Also underneath the fuel tank are some neoprene rubber strips to stop the tank from rubbing on the bed and rubbing a hole into the fuel tank or the bed or both. Hopefully this is helpful to anybody else looking to install one of these gravity feed tanks. Thank you, and motor safe.